Hello guys, welcome back to my channel orangeabraham. Today we'll see the HTML images. So images is very important for the website creation. So if we use the images in a website, look and feel will be good. And we can easily insert the images on our websites through a image tag like img in the HTML. So we have an image attributes like source and alt and width and height. Source indicates the source file, like it specifies the file name of an images. Alt is an alternative text of an image. If the image is not loaded in a web page, so this name is helpful for the search engine optimization. Width and height, we can define the size of an image. I'll just show you the demo. So in the body tag, I just added one headline and two images, like one is flowers and one other one is sunflower, and I just given the alternative text for the images. Like if the image is not loaded, this alternative text is helpful for the searching. And just mention the width and height for the images. Okay, I just going to run this file. So I just running the browser, Chrome browser. So you can see the headline and the first image is flower is displayed and the sunflower is not displayed. It just we can see only the alternative text. So for that we need to find out the file name of the images first. If any correction in the file name, if not, if the images is there in the drive link. So I just checking the drive link. So images is not in the drive. So for that only the alt text is displayed here. So this is how we can check the difference. If the image is not displayed in the web page, we can see the file name or the drive link if the image is missing. So that's all about the images. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and for the upcoming videos, and don't forget like, share and click on the bell icon button. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.